Get ready with me to go to birthday bash. I'm gonna use this wig that Nadula hair sent me. And this is my first time having purple hair, baby. I'm excited. Let's do it. I love a 13x4 that comes pre-plugged. Yes, ma'am. This is after I tinted the lace. And I'm in a rush to slay, so I'm using my mannequin head today. I plucked a little bit, parted it, and hot combed it. And this is what I got, baby. I love it. And then this is after I curled it. And I put some pins in it to keep it, baby, in a hairnet. Didn't do this for nothing. This is right after I put it on. Like, yes. Baby, I went ahead and got dressed. Baby, the wig is laid. Where the lace today? Baby, I didn't went and comb these curls out. This what I'm talking about. This is a wig. The color, baby, I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the fit. A bodysuit with some leggings, and some comfortable shoes. Oop, a little booty too. Hold on. This jacket came from Jewelry She, baby. It matches perfectly. I'm not about to be cold, baby. Slapped on some shades, baby. I gotta go. I ain't trying to be late today, okay? The show is to the start. We gotta go. Thank you, Nadula.